Hi guys, it's Jing here from Authentic Energy. Welcome back to my channel. Every week, I give you the best tips on personal wellness and success to help you become healthier and happier. So today, I'm going to show you how to make a yummy tofu matcha shake. The best thing is, this shouldn't take you more than a minute to make in the morning. So in the morning, if you make this for your breakfast, you can just quickly mix all the ingredients together, blend and drink and nourish. So this Herbalife weight loss shake, this tofu matcha shake, only gives you 150 calories, which is really low calorie for a very yummy shake. And also you receive 17 grams of protein. So this is really ideal for those of you who are working on weight loss and also those of you who are looking for a protein balanced breakfast. Okay, so we have 4 key ingredients for this recipe. What you need is, of course, we need our F1 protein, our F1 meal replacement protein shake powder. Okay, so you just need about your standard 2 scoops of that. Okay, same as how you make your other shakes. And also we need the matcha powder, and you just need about 1 teaspoon of the matcha powder. You can find your matcha powder from a lot of your Asian grocery stores or some tea specialty stores. I believe these days, because of the matcha trend, you are able to find matcha powder in a lot of the popular supermarkets as well. Okay, so if you can't find them, make sure you DM me and I'll tell you where to find them. And of course, thirdly, we need our tofu. And for our shake, I do highly recommend everybody to go and look for silken tofu. Why? Because silken tofu is the softest form of tofu. And when you blend tofu in your shake, you don't want to use the firm tofu or the compressed ones, because they're not going to give you a very smooth texture. But whereas with the silken tofu, oh my god, it's going to give your shake a really smooth and a creamy texture. You're going to love it. Those of you who are not familiar with tofu is basically like a jelly form of, it's a jelly byproduct of soy. I don't know if I'm describing it right, but anyway, it's very healthy for you. It is actually a great plant-based protein source. And those of us who are Asian, we eat tofu like crazy. Yeah, we grow up eating tofu. And this is really great for those of you who are lactose intolerant and you are vegan. You're looking for, plant-based protein source. So tofu is really good for you. And you are able to find tofu, especially silken tofu, from your average Asian grocery stores. And I believe in a lot of supermarkets in Western countries, you are able to find tofu and silken tofu in a lot of the Whole Foods supermarkets or some of the popular supermarkets as well. So remember, you have to use silken tofu. And this silken tofu comes in a tube. So there's about 20 grams of protein from this tube. But for today, we're only going to use 1/3 of it. If you use more of the silken tofu, yes, your shake will become very thick. If that's what you want to achieve, then feel free to use more. But for our shake today, our shake recipe today, I'm just going to use 1/3 of it. Okay, and 1/3 of it gives you 8 grams of protein, which is pretty awesome. Okay, and lastly, of course, don't forget our liquid base. Because we're using tofu already, so we're going to use just plain water. Okay, so plain water is actually really good to actually give like a nice sort of like smooth texture for the whole thing here. Okay, some of you might be thinking, can I use like a nut milk or like oat milk or soy milk or something like that? Yes, you can. Okay, but based on my experience, okay, a lot of times when we do use tofu, it's actually better to blend your tofu with the just plain water, because essentially when you blend tofu and water together, it kind of gives you that thick soy milk sort of like outcome. So unless you really want that thicker, super thick, creamy soy sort of like texture, then definitely feel free to use soy milk or oat milk or I don't know, whatever nut milk you can find. That is completely okay. But yeah, for the best outcome, I'll say water and tofu together. Okay, so I hope you guys got that. Amazing. This beats the Starbucks one. So if you want to make it into like a matcha frappuccino, all you need to do is to add some ice cubes into your shake, and that will give it that frappuccino taste. And now you can see how simple it is to make this matcha tofu shake. I definitely want you guys to try it, okay? Always try a new recipe, right? So that you mix things up and make this whole weight loss, this healthy lifestyle journey a really fun journey. All right, so let me know if any of you are gonna try it, and leave your feedback, leave your experience in the comment below. I would love to hear from you guys. How is your tofu shake? And if you like, take a photo and show me. I really love this one. It's creamy. Seriously, tofu makes your shake creamy, and it is actually low calorie as well. Okay, so go try it. If you guys want to see more Herbalife weight loss shake recipes like this, please let me know what particular shakes that you want to know, any other things you want to see me trying. I'll definitely be making more shake recipes for all of you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching today's episode. And remember, tuning every week, I'm giving you the best tips on personal wellness and personal success to help you become healthier and happier. See you guys next time. Bye.
Thank you so much for staying till the end. I'd like to give you a special offer. This is your chance to tone up your body and to reset your mind and your nutrition in just 5 days. You will get 5 videos, and in each video, you will have 3 sections, each dedicated to nutrition, mindset, and physical workout. This series is valued at $147, but for all of you today, it's only $47. So all you need to do is click on the link in the description below, grab your video, and enjoy the 5-day tone up.